What's up everyone, new notifications here. Today, we're diving into the best free YouTube channels for learning to code. Coding is a superpower in 2024, but finding quality, free resources can be overwhelming. I've curated a list of top channels. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to level up, there's something here for you. We'll cover everything from full computer science courses to quick project-based tutorials. Let's jump in. Here are the top free YouTube channels to kickstart your coding journey. First up, freecodecamp.org, a true giant in the coding education space. This channel is like a free digital university, offering massive in-depth courses on everything from Python and JavaScript to data science. Their videos aren't just quick overviews, we're talking 10, 12, even 20-hour courses that take you from zero to proficient. The content is created with experienced instructors from around the world, and it's always up to date. The format is simple screen recordings and clear voiceovers, so you can focus on learning without distractions. The structure is logical, starting from basics and building up to advanced concepts, perfect for beginners. What sets Free Code Camp apart is their mission: making tech education accessible to everyone, everywhere, for free. No upsells, no paywalls, just high-quality, altruistic content. If you want a structured, long-form curriculum that can take you from beginner to job-ready, this is your first stop. You can literally build your entire developer skill set from their channel alone. It's an incredible resource and the foundation for countless developers' careers. Whether you want to learn a language, a framework, or computer science fundamentals, they've got you covered. The value is immense, and it's all free. Dive in for deep, focused learning sessions. Free Code Camp is a must-subscribe for anyone serious about coding. It's the gold standard for free programming education. Next, The Net Ninja. Sean Pelling's channel is a web development favorite. Sean's teaching style is clear, concise, and approachable, making complex topics easy to digest. The channel covers everything modern web: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Vue, Node.js, Svelte, Firebase, and more. Each topic is broken into short, focused videos, perfect for learning at your own pace. The minimalist production keeps you focused on the code and concepts. Sean explains not just the how, but the why, helping you truly understand what you're building. All source code is available on GitHub, so you can follow along and review. Whether you're front-end, back-end, or full stack, this channel is a web dev essential. The playlists are organized for easy progression, from basics to advanced. Sean's passion for teaching shines through every video. For web development mastery, The Net Ninja is a must. Now, let's talk Traversy Media. Brad Traversy's channel is all about learning by building. Brad focuses on practical, project-based tutorials that bridge the gap between theory and real-world application. You'll find crash courses on every major language and framework: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, React, Angular, Vue, and more. His project builds walk you through creating full applications, explaining every step and decision. Brad's teaching style is down-to-earth and relatable, making you feel like you can do it too. He's not afraid to show mistakes and debug live, which is invaluable for real learning. The channel is perfect for those who want to build a portfolio and gain job-ready skills. Each video is focused on code and practical outcomes. No fluff. If you want to learn by doing, Traversy Media is your blueprint. It's a go-to resource for hands-on, project-driven learning. Build real skills, one project at a time. Next up, Programming with Mosh, where Polish meets clarity. Mosh Hamadani's videos are high-quality, professional, and beginner-friendly. He breaks down complex concepts with simple analogies and clean visuals, making them easy to grasp. His beginner tutorials for Python, JavaScript, and C# are some of the best out there. Visual aids and animations help you truly understand abstract ideas. Mosh also covers advanced topics like design patterns and unit testing for those ready to level up. The free YouTube content is structured, concise, and incredibly valuable. If you want a strong, correct foundation in coding, Mosh is your guide. Quality over quantity, every video is a masterclass. Switching gears, let's look at CS Dojo, run by YK, a former Google engineer. This channel is a goldmine for computer science fundamentals, algorithms, and technical interview prep. YK walks through real interview problems, teaching you how to think and optimize solutions. His explanations of Big O, data structures, and dynamic programming are clear and approachable. The whiteboard-style teaching feels like a personal tutoring session. He also shares practical advice for landing jobs at top tech companies. If you're aiming for a software engineering role, CS Dojo is essential. It's where you go to turn coding skills into a tech career. Academy, led by Maximilian Schwarzmüller and Manuel Lorenz, is a deep dive into modern web frameworks. Their tutorials on React, Angular, Vue, and Node.js are exceptionally thorough and up-to-date. Max explains not just how things work, but why, giving you a true understanding of each technology. The channel offers both crash courses and multi-hour deep dives, often free versions of their premium content. Academy is always current, updating tutorials as frameworks evolve. If you want to go from generalist to expert in a specific framework, this is your resource. The depth and detail are unmatched. For serious specialization, Academy is top tier. Tech with Tim is a powerhouse for Python enthusiasts. Tim's channel covers everything from beginner basics to advanced Python topics and libraries. His Python for Beginners course is a great starting point, but he also dives into machine learning, web development, and automation. Unique to his channel is a focus on game development with Pygame. Learn by building fun projects like Space Invaders. Tim's explanations are clear, and he shares his thought process as he codes. The community is active and supportive with help available on Discord. If you want to learn Python or build games, Tech with Tim is a must. It's a practical, project-driven path to Python mastery. Derek Banas is legendary for his Learn Language in One video series. He condenses entire languages, Java, C++, Go, Rust, SQL, into fast-paced comprehensive tutorials, perfect for experienced devs needing a quick syntax overview, or beginners wanting a preview before a deep dive. His videos are dense, efficient, and packed with information. Be ready to pause and rewind. Derek also covers design patterns, algorithms, and frameworks in the same rapid-fire style. He's a true polyglot, and his channel is the ultimate cheat sheet for learning new languages fast. If you want maximum info in minimum time, Derek Banas is your go-to. It's the express lane to expanding your programming toolkit. Corey Schaefer is the craftsman of Python tutorials. His channel is perfect for those ready to move from beginner to advanced, focusing on clean, professional, idiomatic code. Corey's videos are detailed, exploring every nuance and best practice, especially in topics like OOP, Django, and Flask. He covers real-world workflows, setting up environments, managing dependencies, and deploying apps. The emphasis is on writing code you'd use in a job, not just in tutorials. Watching Corey feels like mentorship from a senior developer. For serious professional Python development, his channel is non-negotiable. Build a rock-solid foundation and write code you're proud of. Code with Harry is a game-changer for Hindi-speaking learners. Haris Ali Khan's channel offers comprehensive programming education in Hindi, breaking language barriers for millions. The content covers C, C++, Java, Python, and a huge focus on web development. Over 100 videos in his web dev playlist alone. The teaching style is friendly, energetic, and beginner-focused, with simple language and relatable examples. All notes and source code are free on his website, supporting students at every step. The community is massive and supportive, making learning collaborative and fun. For Hindi speakers, Code with Harry is the top recommendation. It's a powerful example of democratizing tech education. There you have it, 10 incredible YouTube channels to learn coding for free. Whether you want deep courses, project-based learning, or content in your native language, there's a perfect fit for you. The resources are out there. Just pick a channel, start a playlist, and take the first step. Don't be intimidated, focus on learning one thing at a time. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and let us know your favorite channels in the comments. Subscribe for more tech deep dives. This is new notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.